Here's my Nilay Letranista, uh, Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 to 2. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was with the earth was without form and void, and darkness was over the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. Uh, this module deepened my understanding of a God as a loving Father, Almighty, and the Creator everything into who brought everything into being out of love. As His children, we are called to care for creation and live with gratitude. Through the Dominican process, I expressed my faith in various ways. I wrote a love letter to God, thanking Him for His guidance and love, shared a prayer for creation within the Letran community, and applied my learning in our community. My, my realization is, as a Letranista, we value God's creation by simply taking care of our environment. I realized that it's a gift from our Father, the gift that not every person can afford it, and it's the world. It's our duty to protect and preserve all the God's creation, and people should avoid destroying it. We need to take care of our home or the earth.